Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good
So
morning,
today,
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
so today, we are going to take a look at how to spot errors in spotting the errors. What are the rules for spotting the errors? So there are some rules. If you will know the rules, you will know how to write correctly, and you will know where the sentence went wrong. So we'll take a look at the rules of spotting errors, rules of writing or speaking correct English. So sharing the screen with you. This is part one. There are 26 rules for spotting errors in English. So people have been making a lot of mistakes because the rules, maybe they are not aware of the rules, or maybe they have forgotten the rules. But then we're starting today. So how many rules are there? The 26 rules for spotting errors. And please pay attention. Write down, make your own sentences. Know, ask for clarification if you have not understood. We'll try to go a little slow because you need to understand this 100%. Certain nouns possess a singular form but still represent plurality and thus take a plural verb when used in a sentence. For example, the collective nouns cattle, peasantry, people, police, class. Utkarsh, I would like you to write down the words and make sentences after you know the rules. If you miss out on this, you can have problems. So it has a singular form: peasantry, people, clergy, cattle. The sentence is: the police has come. It will take as a plural form. The police has come is incorrect, though it is singular, but then it will take a plural form. Write the rules first. Certain nouns possess a singular form but still represent plurality when used in a sentence. They take a plural verb. Like has is a singular verb, but you have to take the plural verb which is have. She has come, singular. But the plural form of has is have. Though we are talking about collective nouns, you will never say the police has come. It will take a plural form. Highlight this, underline this. Singular form but taking a plural verb, which is the helping verb. The incorrect sentence is the police has come. Wrong. The police have come. You write the sentences as it is first of all. Certain nouns always take the plural form because their form is always plural. So when you're making sentences with cattle, peasantry, what is the meaning of peasantry, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, people.
What kind of people?
People.
Peasantry means people. Anybody else? Peasantry. Have you heard about
Well,
peasants?
Kisan.
Have you heard about peasants, Utkarsh? Peasants.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
People or no, ma'am?
Ma'am, farmer.
Yes. Peasants, peasantry. All about farming, right? When
Farming.
you're making when you make sentences with capital peasantry people, please you can use the form which is have. Now moving on to the next rule. The first rule have you understood? If not, ask me. Certain nouns always take the plural verb because their form is always plural. Their form is always plural, though they are singular. For example, scissors. You will not say, bring my scissor. It always has a plural form, but it will be taken as a singular form. It is singular. Trousers. I have given my trousers for laundering. Get me the scissors from the shelf. Spectacles. Thanks. You will never say thank. Premises. Make sentences with all these words
क्या
using a singular form.
ये बनाओ तो ये बना जल्दी से दिखाओ ना क्या लाया क्या
Sorry,
क्या
you're
चीज
saying the plural form. Like the
दिखाओ
scissors are kept. My trousers are
दिखाओ तो
new.
नहीं नहीं ठीक
Hello,
है ना मत देना आज
Utkarsh.
दोपहर में नहीं देना
You
मैम यस मैम
So, though they are singular, they will take the plural verb form. For example, the scissors is kept is wrong. The scissors are kept. My trousers are torn. The spectacles are stolen. My sincere thanks to you. He has entered the premises. All these words will take the forms which are plural. The first one is done for you. The scissors are kept. This is correct. Rule number 3. This rule, there are so many errors in this because of the knowledge of rules you are unaware of. When a number is followed by a noun denoting measure, strength, length, money, number, or weight, the form of the noun does not change so long as they are followed by another noun or pronoun. Example: million, pair, meter, year, dozen, foot, head. Thus, this is a 9 meters cloth is incorrect. This is a 9-meter cloth. This is correct. Because here you've seen the vowel, the article a. This is a 9-meter cloth. Students go wrong in this sentence. Can you give me a $50 note? People say 50, that is why dollars notes. No. So this is a 9-meter cloth. This is a pair of anything which you bought from the mall. Dozen, foot, head. Make sentences using is and a. For example, a $50 note. A 100 rupee note, a 500 note. Write down the fourth rule. The rules have got to be written. Utkarsh, are you writing it down? Write down the fourth rule.
I'm taking the screenshot.
What screenshot? When a number is
Taking screenshot.
hello. When a number is followed by a noun denoting measure, length, money, number, or weight, but these are not followed by another noun or a pronoun, then they take the plural form. For example, this sari is 9 yard long. Incorrect. This sari is 9 yards long. I would want you to write down the rules plus the example sentences. You can write down both the correct and the incorrect. Highlight the incorrect, make it a cross mark so that you will not make the mistake again. And the correct one should be do not highlight the incorrect one. Highlight the correct one so that it stands out. So this sari is 9 yards long. Rule number 5. And yes, I will share this in your WhatsApp group. But still you need to write it down because I know how many of you will read it, I do not know. And give me an assignment on this. Do not just attend the class and forget about it. Rules are indeed important. And when I've taken it up, I'll give you the entire rules. Rule number 5. Certain nouns, especially of the collective category, are used as singular when they specify a unit. Yeah, again we're talking about collective nouns. Certain nouns, certain collective nouns are used as singular when they specify a unit. Public, team, committee, government, audience, orchestra, company, jury. These are all collective nouns. Public, you speak about a lot of people. Team, you speak about some people together working in a team. Committee, there's some people there in the team also. The government, the audience, the orchestra. In the orchestra is a collective noun because a lot of people working in this. They play different kinds of. There are some involved in some kind of musical activities. Some are singers, some are percussion, some guitar, or whatever. Company or jury, we are all talking about collectiveness. Does so certain collective nouns are used as singular when they specify a unit, like a committee, a class, a government, a team, a very quiet audience, an orchestra which was superb, an orchestra. So, thus, the public were unanimous in their opinion, which is incorrect. The public was, because the public we're talking about a particular public, a collective, a collective group of people. The public was. What happens? You think of public as a lot of people working there, lot of people, or the audience, or the orchestra, or the committee. There are a lot of people, so naturally they will take the verb, the helping verb, which will be plural. But no, the public was, the audience was, the public was unanimous in its opinion. Similarly, you make sentences with team. I want a team which is productive. So you try to create your sentences. The writing, when you're writing it down, you'll not forget. Rule number 6. Like, I want a team which is productive. The audience was quiet. The orchestra was too good to believe. Number 6. Certain nouns, especially of the collective category, are used in plural when they specify a difference of opinion or class. You will only understand when you read the sentences, but then write down the rules as it is. Yes, I'll be sharing this with you, but then why am I asking you to write it down? Because when you're writing it down, you will be remembering it because you have worked on it. The rules and the example sentences. Certain nouns, especially of the collective category, like the collective nouns, are used in plural when they specify a difference of opinion or class. Examples: public, team, committee, government, audience, orchestra, company, jury. The jury was divided in its opinion, which is incorrect. The jury were divided in their opinion. It means they are specifying a difference of opinion or class. So the jury was divided in its opinion will be incorrect, and the right will be because there is some difference of opinion. The jury were divided in their opinion. Here again the word, the helping verb were, and then there. The seventh rule. This again is a major error. Number 7. If the pronoun one is used, it must be maintained throughout the sentence. For example, one must respect his elders. Incorrect. If you're using it one for the first time, you will continue using it. For example, one must respect one's elders. One must do one's duties. So one over here, once over here. Make your own sentences to be for clarity. Number 8. Today I'm giving you 10 rules. I'm not going to flood you with all of them today, but then take time to understand this. And yes, grammar means working it out. By simply writing the rules down or listening to the rules or lecture classes is not enough. You have to make as much sentences.
Yes.
Number 8. The word whose is used for living people and which is used for non-living. I think this I've highlighted so many times in the class also. Whose and which. So whose for living and which for non-living or things or ideas. Let us read the incorrect. Which box is kept on the table? Incorrect. Whose box is kept on the table? So which is used for non-living things? And whose book is this? Remember, which book is this? Whose book? Whose box? Whose box is kept on the table? Or which is the book which you wanted? Which book you wanted? So you will use which for non-living things or ideas, or you will use whose for living people for people.
Ma'am, both were used at another place, na? Because whose is used for choosing something,
Yes.
but which is used for
What is the Hindi meaning of which and whose?
मैम
Ma'am, which
whose
means
means
कौन?
और which means कौन सा.
Ah, yes. And whose means
किसका.
kiska.
इसका
किसका? किसका?
Kiska and kaunsa.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the correct sentence? And whose
मैम
assignment?
अटेंडेंस
Utkarsh, I already have taken your attendance.
हाँ
Number 9. I told you I'll give you 10 rules today, and I want to see your assignments on it. 9. Less is used to denote quantity, while fewer is used to denote number. What is less? What is few? No less than 20. No less than 20 people were present. No fewer than 20 people were present. Utkarsh,
यस मैम
there you go. And another thing, this is something which, again, very common mistakes, common errors. One of is always followed by a noun in the plural form. She is one of the least important person in the office. She is one of the least important people. Person for singular and people for plural. Write this down. Number 10. One of the students in the class. Not one of the student of the class. One of the students. One of the books was stolen. I mean, one book from so many books which I had. So, one of is always followed by a noun in the plural. She is one of the least important person in the class. She is one of the least important people in the class. Make a sentence. One of the books was stolen. It means one book was stolen. One of the books, of so many books which I had, one was stolen. That is why it will take was, not were. So this was the 10 rules. Did you make sentences? Hello? Now for your assignment, make your own sentences as per the rules given. And you can send me your assignments on my mail so that I can check it out.
Ma'am, only examples or with rules?
No, rules you already have understood. Now you make your sentences. You can make compound sentences. You
Ma'am,
can
how many sentences?
one, 10 sentences, but make it a combine it. Make a simple sentence add on to compound and then compound complex. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Let- Create a theme. Like if you're talking about the police, if you're talking about scissors or trousers or whatever, all those 10 points, create a theme. Start with a simple sentence, take it up to compound and then compound complex.
When we have to submit, ma'am?
Yes, if I will not give you a deadline, you will take your time. Submit this
Yes,
by
ma'am.
the by next Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? And if you have any questions, ask me. Otherwise,
No, ma'am.
uh, for your reference, I'll be sending this note to in your WhatsApp group.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, send this.
Yes, I've taken attendance. Okay. Take care. That's it. Sorry, that's all for today.